So here I have a special treat for you all. This is going to be the new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. Comes in the beautiful onyx black on alpine umber perforated leather interior. And this one is going to be an almost $84,000 decked out truck. So we get that 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8, made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission. And I'll just tell you off the top, GMC did not miss with this truck. Coming around to the front end here, we get that galvanized Denali grille, looks sick, along with the badging there. Just love that. And then we have our LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, and then our LED fog lights down there, along with our front parking sensors. And I just love how they have the black chrome, recovery hooks chrome, and then just having that galvanized grille there. It just looks incredible. And next, let's check out these wheels. These are gonna be the 22-inch wheels. They look incredible on this truck. If you can't tell, I'm just really excited about this. We get passive keyless entry on the front two doors, power running boards. And just look at this door panel here. I absolutely love this interior. GMC did a great job. We've got the wood trim there, that aluminum brush, and then that kind of cowhide look that you see on the Longhorn Laramies and on the King Ranches. Love that. And then even the badging looks really good. Well, we have our power door lock controls here, memory seat function there. We get the front two windows that are one-touch auto up and down. And then the back two are power. And then we have power folding mirrors with blind spot monitors in them, window lock, and then our power mirror function here. And then we do get this upgraded 12-speaker Bose surround sound system. Over here we have our electronic parking brake. Just press that to engage and then hit the brake and press it to disengage. Drive modes, four-wheel drive controls here. So we get 3 drive modes, so normal, sport, off-road, and then we have our tow haul mode as well. And then headlamp controls, bed light, all that over there. Of course, we get a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. And then a very adjustable front driver's seat with massage function and power lumbar support. And I can tell you that massage function is fantastic. Let's check out all the features that come on this Denali Ultimate. And for those who want to know, if you're towing behind a $1 million RV, this does have a 2-speed auto track transfer case. Just so many features on this. 16-way front massage seats. Crazy. Look at this sticker price, $83,570. If I could afford one of these though, I would definitely go ahead and get one. Let's check out this rear seat room. So I have the seat in front of me adjust for someone of my size, being 6'3", and I think because the seat is so adjustable, I have it back further. And you know, it might just be the leg room too, because the seat's a little wider, but the seat is so comfortable. But I still have, my knees aren't touching the back of the seat at all. And we have the pockets here on either side. And then we have 3-stage heated outboard seats. Then a USB-C, USB-A charging port there. And then we have our AC vents there. And then our middle seat fold down there. I just can't get over this interior. It's just immaculate. I love it. Absolutely love it. Our dome lights are here. We have bars here, which I like that we have them here. And then we have our clothes hangers here. And I just noticed this kind of suede headliner here. This is just an incredible interior. It really is. I am very, very impressed. Fuel fillers here, of course, premium is recommended with the 6.2. And of course, our back end there, dual exhaust, LED tail lights. And our power folding multi-pro. Of course, we can hit the bottom button here, fold that down. Then we have our kegger system back here. Then we can just hop up in here with the bar and not strain ourselves. And then bed lights. And then a 3-prong 120 volt household plug-in. Of course, your embossed Denali spray and bed liner. Let's just fold all this back up. I'm impressed I actually was able to do that with one hand. But coming over to the front passenger seat, like I said, you get the same adjustability on the driver's side as you do over here, which is just incredible. 16 ways with that massage function. And even the glove compartment just looks super, super nice. And I feel like GM, of course, always late to the party, is finally giving Ram and Ford a run for their money with this interior. Very, very impressive. But next we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood and just take a quick look at that 6.2 liter V8. And I don't know why this truck got dirty, but there's that 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8, mostly covered up. Just love that front end, gosh. But let's hop in this driver's seat and delve more into this awesome truck. So we get a Denali signature heated leather wrap steering wheel. And I just really like, even this trim here just looks so cool. Looks kind of futuristic to kind of go with the grille and like the dash and all. They just did they did a great job with this interior. But going over here to this massive screen, we have AM, FM, XM along with Bluetooth audio, podcast, Google News, and then of course, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto compatibility. And as part of that new Google Assistant, we have a very nice, intuitive Google Maps. Really easy to use. Shows traffic patterns, all of that. And then you have shortcuts for restaurants around, so on and so forth. And then this is our phone option. We can hook up our Bluetooth. And then if you want to go ahead and get a trailer profile started and make sure you go through all your checks and balances before you start towing, you can do that. And then with the data plan, you can actually hook up the Google Assistant and really get what's coming to you. Just really awesome stuff here. Of course, you have a Wi-Fi hotspot. And then we have dual zone automatic climate control. So I actually really like on this new screen here how easy it is to use this, and also just how pretty everything is. Picture's really great, really responsive. Like, it can really just take whatever you throw at it. And then we also have buttons and knobs if you want that down here below. So 3-stage heated cooled seats, of course, and then we can just choose to either heat the seat back or the seat back and the seat bottom there. And then there's our backup camera. front camera. And if you look at this 360 view, I really like how, based on how you turn the wheel, it'll tell you, based on how you're turning, where you're gonna go. So even though you're turning going that way, your side is gonna curve that way, kind of keeps you from side swiping something. And then we even have curbside view cameras, forward, back. There's our bird's eye view. Pull that back up. There's our bird's eye view if you're backing up to a trailer or whatever, or backing in even, it's good for that. And then there's your tow hitch there, you get a view there. Just really, look, you even have one for the bed. Make sure nothing's rocking back there. So I just really like the camera views you get on this. Now we do have our lane departure, parking sensors, auto stop, tailgate, hill descent, etc. All those quick controls there. Then we have a USB and a USB-C port here, and I really like how they put this here. So if you do want to charge your phone, you have this big place here, and then you can just plug it up there. Now to shift the 10 speed, we do have a button here, pull down for drive, press down for low, and in low mode you can use those paddle shifters. Press up for neutral, and then hit the button, push all the way up for reverse. Press P for park. Trailer brake controller here. Check out this huge center console cubby space. So we have a wireless charging pad, 3-prong household plug-in up here, and then a USB-C, USB-A port as well. Big removable tray, and then you have all that space in there too. And then we have our rear camera mirror. We can toggle that there. Universal home remote, dome lights. Look at this. Power rear window. And there's view of the back seat from up here. Let's check out this sunroof next. One touch, power tilt and slide. Look how far back it goes. Doesn't waste any space there. Really, really nice. And then of course we have a pocket up there, then a lockable standard glove compartment, pretty good size down there with our owner's manuals and such. Now going to the steering wheel again, we do have that adaptive cruise control standard on the Ultimate, so we can toggle that there. And then we can actually change what cruise control we use by holding this cancel button here. So we can go between standard cruise or adaptive cruise, as you can see. And then of course, everything else works normally. His regular cruise control set, or resume set, toggle up, down. And then the gap adjust for that cruise control and the forward collision alert, you can adjust that here. Right side of the steering wheel, voice recognition controls, mute, and then we can toggle our 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster using this knob here, as well as these arrows. Of course, there's plenty that you can configure. And those paddle shifters are behind here. And we have radio station favorites or trackless controls here on the left side, and then volume controls here on the right side. And really good size heads-up display. It doesn't flash, that's just the camera picking up the lighting. Nice size push button start there. And then finally, here's our key fob with remote start. But now onto the fun part. Let's go ahead and take this 23 Denali Ultimate out on the road for a quick test drive. So let me just tell you right off the bat, I feel like a king in this truck, and that's kind of the feel that this should give you for almost $100,000 with tax. But it just has a presence to it, it really does. kind of want to see what the lane keep assist does. So I have the adaptive cruise on now, and it's just kind of pinging me in. And of course, until you get Super Cruise, you're not really going to have a lane centering system from GM, at least not yet. But a really, really nice ride. And of course, you have the suspension to thank. I'm sure there's some sort of active damping on here as well. Just a fantastic ride coming down the interstate here. Very smooth, even with these huge 22s. And another good thing about this truck is, even though, I mean, it's called the Denali Ultimate, but it's just so quiet in here. Just very impressive sound acoustic going down the interstate and even just driving through town here. So let's go ahead and put it into sport mode, and we'll just give it a little bit of throttle here. What makes this awesome is I didn't have a clunk at all. Just really good pull once I put it in sport mode, and it was just ready to go. Since this truck is not gonna go, we're gonna go ahead and just show off the adaptive cruise again. Just how it keeps that safe distance between myself and the vehicle in front of me. And I have the gap all the way back, but as I increase the speed, you can see it's not gonna go past 40, even though I have it set to 45. And it's just so, the truck is so controlled in the sense that it's so easy to drive, and it just rides so well. It's so tame. And for 85 G's, most buyers of this, that's what they want. This is the epitome of luxury for a pickup, so it should act as much. And they really brought it with this Ultimate. And I've said about 1,000,000 times, I'll say it 1,000,001 times, I love this interior. It really makes that big of a difference in terms of just how luxurious the Denali feels. So if I could afford it, this would be the truck I would go with. Most definitely. It's got everything I want, even stuff I didn't know I wanted, it has it. But with all that being said, this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Ultimate.